Part 4. Welcome to Part 4 in this 5-part audio series on article marketing. The word or phrases used in online searches are called keywords. And one of the most effective tools of internet marketing is the use of keyword articles. In today's digital world, we are becoming increasingly dependent on the internet for the fulfillment of our needs. Whether we are planning a holiday or buying a plasma TV, we increasingly rush to the internet to gather product information and shopping discounts. While consumers are becoming dependent on search engines like Google, Yahoo, etc., marketers have developed savvy methodologies to fully exploit their advertising capabilities. Increasingly, any website that hopes to draw traffic and sales towards it has come to employ the use of strategic placement of keywords or phrases on its pages. However, there are different types of keywords. Some are purely for academic use. Example, quote, articles on Shakespeare's Macbeth. Others signify the preliminary research conducted by a consumer before undertaking a major purchase decision. For example, conducting research on the price point and features of all MP3 players. However, for internet marketers, most important are those keywords which actually translate into a sale or money transaction. When a user types a keyword into a search engine, the engine employs an algorithm to sort out the most relevant web pages from its database and rank them in an order dependent on utility, which the engine determines, and then displays them. For instance, type, quote, motorized lawnmowers, and the search engine will display literally thousands of sites for your perusal. It is here that strategic keyword placement really pays off. It optimizes the text of a website for any of the major search engines. This results in a much higher ranked listing and increases the likelihood of the page being viewed by the consumer. It is imperative to conduct proper research for your keyword. Guided only by your instinct, you might commit the folly of selecting a wrong keyword. You must think like your targeted consumer and consider what is their methodology in approaching a service or product offered by your website. It is not useful to cram the first page of your website with numerous keywords because search engines do not operate in that manner. A much better strategy is to separately optimize each page because search engines rank pages on the basis of a rich and relevant content coupled with an effective use of keywords. Avoid extremely general keywords such as, quote, big screen television. It is important to realize that consumers are highly selective about their own searches. So a much better keyword might be, quote, Sony big screen plasma television. Similarly, websites targeting local area traffic should use specific regional markers to reach their customers. The keyword should be placed in the title, subtitles, and dispersed throughout the copy. The keyword can also function as a link from your website to another relevant website. A search engine specifically looks in these locations to determine display ranking. By the strategic employment of keywords, marketers can effectively optimize their sales potential. Don't forget to check your inbox for the final installment in this 5-part audio series on article marketing.